Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to do another question of Olympiad 4 raised to the power 11 minus 4. We need to find the value of this 4 raised to the power 11 minus 4. So how to do this question? First of all, we know that 4 is the number which is if we write 2 square we'll get the number 4. So can we write this 4 is 2 square and the power is the 11 minus 4 square is again we will write 2 square. Okay, after that this 11, can we exchange the power? 2 is outside and 11 is the inside. Can we write like this? So suppose if we have a raised to the power m whole power n. So we will write this power, we will exchange this power like this, a raised to the power n whole power m. We will just exchange the powers here, okay, and it is 2 square. Now you can see inside is the 2 raised to the power 11. It is your a and this 2 is your b. So we are applying here the identity a square minus b square, which is equal to a square minus b square. Identity says a plus b, a minus b. Here a is the 2 raised to the power 11 and b is 2. So we are using this identity here. So a raised to the power a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b, a plus b and a minus b. Now after that 2 raised to the power 11. Can we write this 2 raised to the power 11? 2 raised to the power 10 plus 1 and this 2 is as it is. Similarly we will write here 10 plus 1 again minus 2. Now this 2 raised to the power 10 we will break the powers. 2 raised to the power 10 into 2 raised to the power 1 plus 2, and here is also 2 raised to the power 10 into 2 raised to the power 1 minus 2. We will just split the powers separately. Okay, now 2 raised to the power 10 plus 2 raised to the power this 2 raised to the power 10, if you simplify the 2 raised to the power 10, if you multiply 2 10 times you will get the value 1024. Okay, and multiply by 2, this 2 raised to the power 1 is 2 and this plus 2 is as it is. After that 2 raised to the power 10 again is 1024 into 2 minus 2. Now 1024 multiply by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 0s are 0 and 2 1s are 2 plus 2. Similarly 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 0s are 0, 2 1s are 2 minus 2. Okay, now you can see 2048 plus 2 and here 2048 minus 2. If you plus these two numbers you will get 2050 and here we will subtract by number 2, so we will get 2046. So these are the two numbers. Okay, after that you can see we are using again identity. If you split this numbers in two ways, suppose we have two numbers 2050, we have already get these two numbers 2046. Okay, how we are using another identity? If you split this 2050 in two terms, addition of two terms 2000 plus 50, can we write this 2046 is 2000 plus 46? Now you can see x and x are same. This is x and this 50 and 46 is the b. X plus a and x plus b. This identity we have already learned in the earlier classes. So x plus a and x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Okay, plus ab. This is the identity you have already learned in class 8th also. So x square plus a plus b x plus ab we are using here. So x is the 2000. So identity says x square. So 2000 square plus after that a plus b. A plus b means a is the 50 and b is the 46. 50 plus 46. Then into x. X is the 2000 plus AB. AB means 50 into 46. 50 into 46. Now 2000 square is the 2 square is the 4 and 3 zeros square is converted into 6 zeros. Okay, 3 and these are the 6 zeros. Now 50 plus 46 is 96 into 2000 plus 50 into 46. If you multiply 50 into 46, you will get 2300. 0 and 4 5 is a 30, 3 5 4 is a 20 and 3 is a 23. Okay. Now next this term we will write as it is, because we will multiply the middle term, this 96 into 2. 96 into 2 is equal to 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 9 are 18, 1 19. 196 and 3 zeros are remaining and 2300. Now we will add these terms, okay, one by one. So we are adding these terms, 196 3 zeros and 2300. So add these terms. So this is our final answer, 4141. You can see 0 0 3 6 to 8 and 9 and 1 and 4. Okay, now you can see 2 6 are 12. By mistake I have written 6. You can write here 2. Okay, 2 6 are 12, 1 carry forward, 2 9 are 18, 1 19. So it will be 192. So 2 to this one 3 and 2 to 4. Okay, so please correct it. 419430. 419430. 2 6 are 12 and 1 carry, so please correct it. It is not 6, it is 2. So hope you have understood this question, and if you like this video, like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching.